Morning.
Morning, campers. Sea view. Look at that lovely balcony with sea view. So, we're leaving here. We don't know what it's called, so we can't see where we are. Let's go. Last night. Meal.
Italian meal.
Let's pay.
Let's pay.
Cash only.
Cash only.
No money.
Machine not working.
No money.
Cash.
Okay, that's the first problem. Okay, let's go home. Let's walk home. 2 miles home.
Yeah.
And
Through the town. Mixed streets. Battery flats. On phone.
dark. Cold. Lost. Lost the hotel. No navigation on phone. No
Never
money.
a dull moment. Never a dull moment with you, is there?
Let's get out of Poland.
You're missing the point, my friend. 'Cause I'm your biggest fan. You don't know me, that's okay. To me, you're solid gold. I'd write a song about you every day. You're glorious. You're glorious. When you're ranting and you're raving, is it stardom that you're craving? Glorious.
Goodbye, Poland.
Cause I'm your biggest fan. You don't know me, that's okay.
Back in Deutschland. And dinner.
Rocketland.
Breakfast.
John
sorry.
Johnson, that's first.
3 o'clock in the afternoon.
That's
I will
first.
be eating all of that anyway. I will be eating
Put it in
all
your
of that.
mouth. Yeah.
Stop it. Don't touch it with your hands.